Hey guys, here today in Tilton, Illinois. Some people have asked that they don't really understand the Mudflap app. How does it work with no fuel card? So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial today on how to use it in real time so that you can understand and hopefully get some additional fuel savings. I'm in Tilton, Illinois at the Mach 1 fuel station. I'm also going to do a little review on this place. This place is like a hidden gem. It's brand new. It's super clean. Just got a shower here. The showers are huge. I'll show a little video of that. But I'll record my cell phone screen here. Also, first thing you need to do to get the app is go to the Play Store. Just type in Mudflap. M-U-D-F-L-A-P. There you go. Then just install it. I already have it. So we'll just go back to it. And then open the app. First time you use it, it's going to ask you to put all your information in, your payment method, your name. Not too much information. They don't need a whole lot from you. And then make sure you use that promo code diysemi. You get $10 in fuel credits after your first fueling. And then you get your additional discounts after that. So I've already got my information in here. Little extra thing here. Link it to a cashback credit card and get some extra savings. So let's look at where I'm at here. Open the Mudflap app. It's gonna bring you to this. Okay, oh, look at all them fuel stops. They have added some fuel stops in the Northeast, so there's fuel stops up there now. Still a little skinny out on the West Coast, but so that blue dot right there is right where we're at. And I am at the Mach 1 fuel stop in Tilton, Illinois. So I'm just gonna tap on that. It shows me today's pump price is $2.26 and my price is $2.11, so 15 cents discount. Now let's just compare that to my price with Comdata. I have a fuel stop just 15 miles down the road, and my price is $2.37. So that's 26 cents cheaper than my Comdata card, and it's the equal price with my NASTC price right now, but I can't show the NASTC because it'll violate my terms of service with NASTC and kick me off the program. Same price, but I'm going to use the Mudflap because by linking it to that cashback credit card, I'm going to get a little bit of additional savings there. So when we're in the app, we're going to go inside and we're just going to show you how to turn the pump on, how easy it is. There's really nothing to it with no fuel card, and then no transaction fees either. So let's go on inside and turn that on. Okay, we got our fuel stop up here. We just click on next, and then once again it shows the prices. We want to get a fuel code, so we're just going to tap on get fuel code. Then it gives us the information here, what card it's going to charge it to, and it says slide for a fuel code. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. This is our fuel code right there. I just got to show that to the cashier. Hello, we're going to get reefer fuel with the Mudflap app here. He just got to grab his little tablet there, and I got my code. Show him the code there.
What pump are you on? What pump?
It's a good question. The first one.
The first one right there?
Yep, that's me.
21.
Yep.
All right.
We good?
Yep, go ahead and go pump and come back in when you get done, buddy.
All right, cool. So that's all we got to do to get the fuel pump turned on. So check out this place. You got everything you could want in here. Nice and clean. Everything's organized. Clean floors, look at that. So I'll go pump my fuel and we'll come back in and see what we got to do to settle up this transaction. All right, I'm back inside. Got my reefer fuel. I had the reefer on 21. Then can I use my points card too?
Yep.
All right.
You need a big receipt.
Sure. So you don't really need to do anything on the app after you fuel, but I'll show you how it shows up on there. And all I did was put our information into the little tablet they have there, instead of like a Trendar when you swipe your fuel card. Now he's just over there putting my roadies points on my card for me. Just quick scan the store here. Yeah, I can sign that for you. And then you get a receipt from the cash register, and then your receipt from Mudflap will show up in your email within a couple minutes. Thanks, Doug.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Really nice place you got here.
Thank you.
All right, so that's just how easy it is. That's no more time, more or less time than using a fuel card, and no transaction fees. All right, so I'm not yet out the door, and I already have my receipt on the app for Mudflap. So we're all good. There we go. I already got my receipt. Not even out the door of the truck stop yet. It's the Mach 1 fuel stop. So take care. We'll see you later.